We're fixing a broken solder joint on a mobile phone chip, a delicate task that needs precision and the right tools to restore proper function. Scratch to remove the laminated area, old flux, and debris. Apply flux. Once heated, apply a small amount of solder to reconnect the joint. Provide a small piece of copper to serve as a joint. Carefully round off the piece of copper, shaping it smoothly so it can serve effectively as a joint between the broken connections. Let it cool for 1 minute, reassemble, and you've just saved yourself $80. Comment "Fixed" if this helped you. Subscribe for more DIY PCB repair pro that save you serious money.